Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a custom route in Google Maps. So without any further ado, let's start. For the better convenience, use the Google on your desktop. So open the Google Maps on your desktop. Once you open the Google Map, now enter the destination from the search bar at the left side of your screen. Once you find that destination, so on the left side, go and click on the direction of that destination. Here Google Maps will find out the best path for you and will provide you and the interface. Now you can also add more destinations. For that, again click on add destination from the left side of your screen, and then again add more destinations. You can add as much as destination you want by clicking on add destination. Once you are done adding the destination, you can rearrange or reorder your destination as well. If you drag in this way, you can simply reorder or rearrange. Once you're done with that, now in order to customize this route, you can simply hover your mouse over there and a white dot will pop up. Now simply drag the mouse the way you want to customize your route. Here in this way you can simply drag it, and once you're done with that, now in order to share this link or embed map, you can simply click on the three line icon from the left side of your screen. Once you click that, a dialog box will pop up. From there, click on share or embed map. If you click on there, you can simply copy the link and then share via Facebook or Twitter or Gmail, or else you can also embed a map. If you click on this embed a map, and in here you will be able to embed a map. Now in order to share this map to your device, you can simply click on send direction to your phone. If you are logged into your account, this dialog box will pop up. From here you can simply share it to your device. If you are not logged into your account, Google will ask you to log into your account, and then you will be able to send this map to your nearby device. So this is how you can simply make a custom route in Google Maps. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to subscribe our channel, like the video and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get further updates from our channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.